In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Outlook's conditional formatting to highlight your most important emails. This is a fantastic feature for anyone looking to streamline their inbox and ensure that critical messages never go overlooked. Whether you're juggling multiple projects or just trying to stay on top of an overwhelming flow of emails, conditional formatting can be your best friend. First things first, open up your Outlook application. It's the standard starting point, but it's an essential step. Once you've got Outlook up and running, you'll want to direct your attention to the top of the window where the menu is located. Here, you'll find the View tab. Click on it. This is your gateway to customizing how your inbox appears and functions. Within the View tab, there's a button labeled View Settings. Go ahead and click this button. View Settings is crucial because it houses all the tools you need to adjust the appearance of your email lists, and it's where you'll find the option for conditional formatting. Once inside the View Settings menu, look for the entry named Conditional Formatting and select it. Upon entering the conditional formatting settings, you'll notice a list of existing rules. Already, Outlook has a few predefined rules, such as those for unread messages or important messages. These built-in options can be quite useful, but the real power of conditional formatting lies in the ability to create and customize your own rules, tailored to your specific needs. Now consider how you could use these settings. Perhaps you have emails from a boss or a key client that you want to stand out whenever they hit your inbox. With conditional formatting, you can adjust the settings to make these messages appear in bold, or perhaps in a different color, depending on your preference. This visual cue ensures you spot these messages immediately, without them getting lost in the crowd. As you look at the list of rules, the existing ones, like unread messages, might already be familiar to you. These rules emphasize texts in a distinct way, helping you manage your time efficiently by showing you which emails require immediate attention. Remember, experimenting with these settings to suit your personal workflow is a great idea. Perhaps start with adjusting one or two criteria and see how it impacts your daily engagement with emails. If your workload includes a significant amount of collaboration or requires prompt attention to certain types of communication, mastering conditional formatting could very well be a game changer. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you can easily customize how your emails appear in Outlook, making sure that the most critical messages pop out at you instantly, saving you time and keeping you organized. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this helps transform your inbox into a model of efficiency and clarity.